Got that big goal off a turnover. Gustafsson in front. Never got to Georgiev. Pionk has room. Nemestikov. Dillon. Just wide. Pionk. The defenseman was in deep and he slapped it just wide of Georgiev. Dillon to the net. Deflected. Ryan. Rebound is loose. Then scores!
That's the way the Winnipeg Jets goes to work here. It's a shot from Dillon, a little bit wide, but they've done that deliberately. Try to get it away from all the mess in front of Georgiev, all the bodies. Dillon goes a little bit wide, and there's a good bounce off of Gustafsson's skate originally. Some pressure, some bobbled pucks, and then Gustafsson
sent out by Jared Bednar. Just a fourth career playoff game for Gustafsson. First Stanley Cup point. Here's McKinnon now. Shot, save, rebound is loose.
came back. It's a tough season, missed some time, but great for this Avalanche team to have him back at full strength.
Toffoli looks for Monahan. Big save by Georgiev.
Sean Monahan centers the second line with Ehlers and Toffoli. This is a long stretch pass. That's something Rick Bowness wants to see. Quick zone exits. Get from offense to defense.
Block out the ball on the Manson shot. But Middlestat has it. Battling with Scheifele. Middlestat. First career playoff goal in game one. Sloppy towards the net. It's loose. It's loose again. Scheifele doesn't have a stick. He needs to go get one. Now he will. So it's 4-on-4 for a moment. Monahan shot. Saved by Georgiev with the blocker. Scheifele has his new twig, and he'll keep the puck in the right point. Goes to Connor. Here's Vilardi. 9 power play goals during the regular season to lead the Jets. Again, number 13, he's right to the right of Georgiev. Scheifele. One-timer into the glove of Georgiev. Check that out on ESPN+. Great storytelling. Pass in front. Here's Morrissey. Dangerous. In front. Oh, what a redirection. Scheifele. And somehow Georgiev holds on. And they're on the attack now, Leah. Connor shot. Save. Rebound just wide. Georgiev, the right pad save. The rebound just went wide from Pionk. The Ehlers, nice corral by him. 2-on-1. Monahan, Toffoli. The trailer is Zamber. Again, off the glove of Georgiev.
Shores up the center of the ice. He likes what they're doing. That last shift that we saw from Casey Middlestat, the very precise seam pass, and then now we got Ross Colton out here, has some Stanley Cup experience with Tampa Bay.
Off the face-off! The Avalanche! This line had a goal in game one from Miles Wood, and they get another goal from Miles Wood in game two to even the score at 1.
Mentioning Ross Colton, what he's able to do, and he gets into the center spot here. Talk about the strength up the middle for the Colorado Avalanche. It's interesting because I think Ross Colton was actually trying to go on his backhand, but instead, watch the way it goes. He does an excellent job, and Miles Wood recognizes.
Loses control, and Colton with good back pressure, and now back comes McKinnon with Parise and Walker. 2 defensemen. Backhand pass intercepted. Leads to Colton. Saved by Hellebuyck. The fourth man. Colton, the trailer, had a chance. Vilardi has a chance. Sends it across. Scheifele!
Mentioned it, Bucci. He had a chance to shoot early on there. He takes an extra pass.
And Pionk will shovel it out of danger. Another good late period push by the Avalanche. Connor, turnover. He's dangerous. Oh, the post! Rebound save. Georgiev on Vilardi. Play picking up here in the second. Starting to look like game one a little bit. McKinnon turns away from Morrissey. Protects the puck. Leaves for Taves. Oh, this is beautiful movement to... Oh, Makar scores! Sweet Georgia Brown. Cale Makar for the second straight game. His wrist shot from distance ties the game at 2.
Vilardi almost puts in the rebound, and then down at the other end, you've got Nathan McKinnon. Great exchanges there. Cale Makar and Devon Taves. Just what I like about it, too, they leave the puck up there, and then Taves continues to go down there, goes to the net. There's a lot of action.
He's been better tonight. 21 shots on goal, now 22 shots on goal. And that's 2 goals tonight for the Jets. So that save percentage over 900. Turnover. Hellebuyck. Open net. In front. Parise. in his final NHL season. Gives the Avalanche a 3-2 lead.
Guy who had retired a year ago, came out of retirement, is playing on this top line, does such a good job of getting in there. This whole situation, though, is created. Look right here. It's that forecheck on Connor Hellebuyck. Not taking a penalty, just getting in the back there, getting the puck out front. So Yakov Trenin just get that little subtle play, getting his stick in there.
10 more seconds of 4-on-4 hockey. The dangerous Morrissey. Sends it across to Ehlers. He settles. Turns on Lehkonen. Falls down. Can't do anything with it. And Lehkonen steals it. And McKinnon's on the ice for the final 10 seconds. Here he is to Manson. Out of the box. Josh Manson scores! From the sin bin to the scoring sheet. And it's 4-2 Colorado.
This whiteout. Josh Manson, you know, I think of him as a shutdown D. Watching game one, he was jumping in the play, had a couple bad defensive turnovers, but was creating things offensively. And now here he is. How about this touch? What a good backhand, forehand, and just open the wickets and bury it on the ice 5-hole. Can't overlook the beautiful feed and the heads-up play by Nathan MacKinnon to know.
Dion. McKinnon, good support to Nichushkin. Beautiful play to Taves. Makar's open. Here he comes. Shot off the post.
Mentioned the crossbar earlier, but 2 posts in 1 shift.
The twisted wrister hits iron again. He'll change. McKinnon won't. McKinnon shot off the post.
Inside of the post.
2 posts in 7 seconds for Colorado.
Side of that post. Good work by Makar. And then how about that one for Nathan?
Rantanen hit the crossbar earlier. Niederreiter behind the defense. Save Georgiev on a bouncy, knuckly puck.
Oh, that was a great save by Georgiev. Inside low off the post. Game of inches, and Georgiev shuts the door here.
DeMello. Shot pass towards Connor. Broke it up. Now Nichushkin has some speed. He's got McKinnon going to the net. Nichushkin. Saved by Hellebuyck with the right pad. 2 and 3 years and number 4 in Denver. They have the team to do it. They lead this game 4-2. Big moment for Winnipeg. Power play. Trying to get within 1. Scheifele shot. Big save. Georgiev. I believe it hit Niederreiter. Niederreiter has open in front. Shot. Big save. Georgiev.
Huge save. In front of him, Georgiev is moving, tracking, quickness. And then how about this one? Nikolai Ehlers all alone.
Connor rips it. Another block. Makar. And here comes Cale Makar. He'll backhand it out of danger. Nichushkin slaps at it. The net is empty. Looking to ice this thing. Backhand. Score! What a play! What a goal! And Valeri Nichushkin deserves it. The 29-year-old Russian had a career year, 28 goals in just 54 games. That's a 43-goal pace. Great playoff performer. And he ices the game.
Well, how about this play from Cale Makar? Looks like he's going to go for it himself or pass it. Instead, he knows he's got Nichushkin going, using the angles, and then a board battle. That's what this is right here. Nichushkin wins it. He's got 2 guys on him.
Wearing their road whites. Vanquish the whiteout in Winnipeg. A championship effort. They're a team full of champions, and they figure it out and get it done.
They absolutely do.